Go sure fit. Yeah, yeah. Go girl. Show 'em, show 'em. Go sure fit Johnson. This is your world. Now pose for 'em. Show 'em behind the scenes. Show 'em your long hair, even when it's weave. Show 'em your makeup. Show 'em your real life. Yeah, with the flaws, those DIYs and fashion hauls. I am SureFit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to see you. If you can't tell, it is the summertime, so I just have a good mood. Like, I'm in good spirits. I'm just in good spirits. So today I wanted to give you guys an review, an update on my faux locks hair. And we all know when you buy stuff for the low, in a couple of days, it can be looking like the low. So I know a lot of us are usually skeptical of buying hair of any sorts on Aliexpress, especially when it's cheap. You don't know if it's mixed with fibers. You literally don't know what you're gonna get. Obviously, these faux locks is not human hair. If it was, I might have to get dressed for real and like weave them into my hair. But we know like this is synthetic hair. It's the same type of hair that you can buy at the beauty supply store. But I did personally decide to buy it from AliExpress because it's cheaper. But I'm not gonna give you all the product details because I already have a video on it. So if you wanna see the product details of this hair and this color, which is a mix of brown, blonde, and black, I would definitely check out part 1 of that video. I will leave it down in the description box below. If you wanna see part 2, what part 2 is me actually installing these individual crochet faux locks. And literally, it's really easy, it's really simple, and I didn't even use a crochet hook needle because it was just doing too much for me. I couldn't take it. So, if you want to see how to like quickly install these faux locks and just be beat and just have your hair looking good and just have like a nice old protective style, I would definitely go check out part 2, but not before checking out part 1 because that is where your product details will be at. So for this video, part 3 is me updating you on my hair. And that's literally what it is. I'm gonna give you guys some great lighting of my hair right now in a video that I recently did on my iPhone XR. And you can see like my edges, you can see like the hair, you can see everything really good compared to this camera. But I'm still gonna give you guys up close and personal right after I give you my thoughts and my review. So let's get into that first. So first things first, this hair was cheap as dirt. I got it for $23 and it came with 6 packs of hair, and in those 6 packs of hair came 20 actual locks. So I didn't even use all of it. I literally used like 2.5 packs, and in total in my head I have like 50 packs and 50 individual braids, right? This hair has been in my head for a month. And the only reason that I'm taking it out is literally because I am tired of the same style. Other than that, like this hairstyle is really holding up. I haven't like redone anything, but I do like twist. Like if you can see, it's super neat around my edges. I usually like twist these up with some gel so it can like look nice and lay nice. But literally, dreads are dreads. Like you can wear them messy if you want to, you know, and it's not a big deal because literally dreadlocks are supposed to look dready. So they don't have to be neat, but I am used to, and I do like a super neat, like clean cut type of look. So that's just me. And overall, because they are dreads, I feel like it's held up really well. I went to Miami for 4 days and literally my hair was in water, like in the ocean. It was also in the bay because I went skiing. I went water skiing, and my hair was like literally all in the water when I was doing the turns. So my hair was wet from the beach and from the water skis. And then when I came home from that trip, I did wash these faux locks. So they've been through some things. It's not like I just wake up and just, you know, I haven't been doing anything. And then I'll exercise every morning. So my hair has been through sweat every morning. So literally the fact that these have held up so well is amazing. Of course, my roots are a little bit frizzy, which is expected for any type of hairstyle, any type of braids. Like, roots are gonna get frizzy, but I just like to keep my perimeter looking nice, so I just do the twisty method that I told you guys. But you can see my roots. So yeah, you can see my roots. They're pretty frizzy, but honestly, like, they still look good. And I think I'm actually gonna give you guys a style video, a part 4 video of me actually styling the faux locks and see what's good with that. So this is an original piece that has not been used. It has a really good loop, and let's compare it to one that's already been in my head. And I feel like the only main difference is that it's thinner and it's more shiny and it's less frizzy. Other than that, literally looks the exact same. And you can always take out the ones that you have in your head and reuse them. Like, wash your real hair and just reuse it, like, because they look really good. And honestly, like, the more sloppy they get, the better they look, especially if you are natural and then your roots are like curly, and it just looks bomb. So my final thoughts and opinions is you should definitely buy this hair if you want to try faux locks. You should most definitely get it from the vendor that I did. If not, read up on the vendor that you're gonna buy it from. Make sure they have reviews, and don't just go buying something because the website says this is the product details. Literally make sure you check it out, because they can give you stuff that is a hot ass mess. So with that being said, you guys, I just want to thank you so much if you watched this video to the very end, till like right now, so don't stop now. And subscribe to my channel, and until next time, you guys. Peace.